Do you want to make money while you sleep? Are you looking for passive income? Affiliate marketing is what you should consider. Let me show you how. Hey there, this is Mani Karthik. I'm a blogger from India. After spending almost a decade in marketing, working for small and big companies in the US and Middle East, I returned to India and started my own blogging venture. Today on this channel and through my blogs, I share everything that I've learned about blogging, helping young bloggers get started with blogging. So if you are a blogger who wants to do awesome things, just subscribe to this channel. In 2016, US retailers spent about $4.7 billion on affiliate marketing. This figure is expected to rise to $6.8 billion by 2020, according to data published by Statista. For bloggers, this is the most lucrative way to earn money online through their blog. By definition, affiliate marketing is an advertising model where a company pays compensation to third-party publishers like bloggers to generate leads or traffic to the company's products and services. These third-party publishers are referred to as affiliates. To put it simply, when you promote other people's products on your blog that you like and feel have value for through an affiliate network or a link, and when people end up buying these products, you earn a commission. This is simply affiliate marketing. Bloggers can either review products on their blog or even dedicate a complete blog on certain niches where they review products which are affiliate products. This is why you see many YouTubers and bloggers reviewing products like smartphones, services, even hotels. When the audience make a purchase following the link from the YouTube video or the blog, the actual reviewer get a cut or a commission from that sale. So affiliate marketing is a great way to make money online with blogging. While Google AdSense is still an easy way to get started with blogging and making money online, it doesn't pay you good. It just pays you peanut these days, but affiliate marketing pays in big numbers. This is the reason why big bloggers always use affiliate marketing as a primary way to make money from their blogs and YouTube videos. I hope you understood what affiliate marketing is. In the next episode, I will show you how to get started with affiliate marketing and some of the best affiliate marketing companies in India. You can sign up for these companies and start making money from your blog right away. So do subscribe if you haven't yet, and let me know in comments if you have any doubts about what affiliate marketing is, or how it will work in India and things like that. This is Mani Karthik signing off.